What's up, guys? Kevin Wagstaff here. I want to ask you a simple question today, and that is how many of your agents know about the repair request builder? I asked that question because Mike and I spoke to a realtor friend of ours the other day and asked them how their experience has been with using an inspector that uses Spectora. And we asked them about the repair request builder, and he kind of gave us a look like, oh, I didn't know I could use that, or I didn't know what that was. And so that got us thinking, how many agents actually know about it and know how it can help them? I'm willing to bet it's less than you think. So I'm going to show you guys an easy way to expose them to it through your automated emails, and also thinking of other creative ways you can get this in front of your agents. All right, so the first thing I'm going to recommend is you guys go into your automation and you edit the email that goes to your agents when you book an inspection. I want you guys to add something at the end here. You can word this however you like, but I just have some simple text here that says, P.S. If you haven't seen our repair request tool for agents, watch this 3-minute video. This is how you can save time building your repair demo. All right, so I'm gonna have you grab the link from the YouTube video that shows the repair request builder tool. It's a general video that walks agents through how to use it in about 3 minutes. So I want you to grab that link. I'll put it in the description as well. So grab that link and I want you to just hyperlink it to some words in your email like this. Watch this 3-minute video, great, and insert it there. For you advanced users, there's other ways you can go about doing this with contact tagging. So write in our chat bubble how to do that. But that's one quick way. You can do this on multiple emails too. So when you publish your inspections, I'd encourage you to also put maybe the same sentence at the end of your agent publish emails. And for those of you that do an email newsletter, I would put this in there every quarter or so, or even every month if you'd like, to kind of have it as like a footer item or something at the bottom of your newsletter. But the point is to keep letting your agents know about these tools because they're busy just like you and I are, and they can tend to forget about it or think it's not for them or just not pay attention. So keep calling this out. It's a tool that's in the software that specifically helps you guys market to new agents and peel agents away from other inspectors that aren't using Spectora. So use this tool and let us know if you have questions. Thanks.